Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person Sophie. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some smart, beautiful, elegant collections only for you. So let me display. Very beautiful one. 2MA1 is saree code, 1900 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton silk. Beautiful one, patli pallu pattern. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly also. This one is full body part and this one is border portions, beautiful fine line weaving design stripes, and this one is sequin work, white base sequin work. This one is pallu part, stripes with beautiful sequin design, and this one is full body part, and this one is pleat section, white base with sequin work, patli pallu pattern. Very beautiful one. This one is white portions with sequin work, stripes design, and pallu is also same stripes design, sequin work. Very beautiful one. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, beautiful, elegant looks. I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2200 for your smart, beautiful, elegant looks. Very nice one. This one also same material, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton silk. 2MA2 is saree code, 1900 is saree price, same pattern, patli pallu, contrast border, stripes lines, sequin work. Very beautiful one. This one is body part and this one is border sections, contrast color, highlighting stripes line, beautiful looks. And this one is pallu part, pallu also white base sequin stripes design. This one is pallu part, stripes pattern, and this one is pleat section, patli pallu. Pleat section is white base with stripes sequin design, contrast border. Very beautiful one. Soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this cotton fabric contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2300 for your smart, elegant, beautiful looks. This one also very smart, elegant one, premium quality, fine linen by linen. 2MA3 is saree code, 2200 is saree price. Very smart looks, based for your office wear. Very elegant one. 1-inch border, beautiful sky blue shade. This one is full body part, premium quality, pure handloom, fine linen by linen, and this one is border, silver zari 1-inch border. Very nice one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also silver zari white, full pallu white patch, silver zari white patch pallu. Very smart, beautiful, elegant looks. This one is full body part, bright sky blue shade with smart silver zari 1-inch border. Very smart, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, silver base. Very beautiful, elegant one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful floral printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2600 for your smart, beautiful, elegant, beautiful, bright looks. This one also very elegant one, exclusive collections. 2MA4 is saree code, 3200 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful weaving design. Very smart one. This one is full body part, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton, full body multi-color fine weaving butta design. This one is border portions, fine weaving, beautiful colorful order border design, and this one is butta weaving, fine weaving butta design, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton. And this one is pallu part, pallu also multi-color northeast weaving design pattern pallu. Very exclusive one. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is full body part, beautiful weaving border, and this one is full body part, butta design, small fine weaving butta work. Very smart one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is beautiful northeast pattern weaving pallu. very elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3500 for your smart elegant looks. The saree code is 2MA5. Saree code 2100 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton with beautiful jamdani weaving design, very smart bright looks. This one is full body part, full body weaving polka design work, and this one is border portions, golden zari border, and this one is full body part, bright red shade and beautiful weaving polka design. Premium quality, pure handloom silk, fine silk cotton material. This one is full body part, full body multicolor weaving polka design, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful, fully weaving jamdani design pallu. Muslin pallu with beautiful jamdani design, very colorful, bright also. Soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2500 for your smart, bright, beautiful looks, best for your party wear also. Very beautiful bright one. 2MA6 is saree code, 2300 is saree price, handloom soft silk with beautiful batik print, weaving border, very nice one, soft, lightweight, summer friendly. This one is full body part, bright navy blue shade with orange contrast border, and this one is border portions, fully temple weaving design border, and this one is contrast color batik print border, orange shade, and this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color stripes with batik print, very nice one, soft, lightweight. And this one is full body part, base is body is dark navy blue and contrast orange border with beautiful batik print, very nice one, best for your regular wear, office wear, very beautiful one. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full body part, weaving border design. And I will suggest this silk material with beautiful digital print contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2700 for your smart, elegant, beautiful, bright looks. This one also very exclusive one. 2MA7 is saree code, 4500 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen with beautiful digital print and weaving border, very nice one, golden zari weaving border design. And this one is full body part, floral digital print, and this one is border portions, golden zari weaving Banarasi weaving design border, and this one is full body part, beautiful digital print, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is pallu part, pallu also silver zari stripes with beautiful print pallu, and this one is border design, golden zari fully Banarasi weaving border, very nice one. This one is full body part, digital print, and this one is border design, fine golden zari weaving Banarasi weaving border design, and premium quality, pure handloom silk linen with beautiful digital print, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, very exclusive look. And I will suggest this silk material with beautiful weaving design, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5500 for your beautiful smart looks, very exclusive one. This one also best for your party wear. 2MA8 is saree code, 3600 is saree price, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen with Banarasi weaving work, full body weaving design, very nice one, beautiful border design, golden and silver zari weaving wide border, beautiful one, highlighting temple design, golden zari weaving temple design. And this one is full body part, full body silver zari weaving butta design, very beautiful one. And this one is golden and silver zari stripes pattern weaving border design, and this one is full body part, full body weaving butta design. This one is full body part, full body same weaving design, and this one is highlighting golden and silver zari weaving border design. And this one is pallu part, this portion is pallu part, Pallu also fine silver zari weaving design pallu, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu fully weaving design, and this one is full body part, full body weaving butta design. Very smart, elegant, beautiful looks. And I will suggest this silk material with polka weaving design, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4100 for your smart trendy looks, trendy party looks. This one also, you know, very elegant one. 2M A9 is saree code 2900 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom cotton with beautiful weaving design, very smart one. Contrast border, highlighting golden zari lines, stripes lines on border portion. This one is full body part, and this one is border design, highlighting golden and red contrast stripes pattern border. This portion is red, this portion is bluish greenish blue shade border, and this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also contrast color stripes pattern with fine weaving butta design pallu. This one is full body part, black base. This one is beautiful fine stripes weaving design pallu. Very smart one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly, premium quality, pure handloom cotton. This one is contrast border, highlighting golden zari stripes lines, and this one is bottom part, beautiful checks design, very elegant, beautiful one. And this one is contrast color running blouse piece, and upper portion is beautiful weaving polka design, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, very elegant, summer friendly. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3200 for your smart, beautiful, elegant looks, very exclusive one. Very beautiful one, bright color. 2MA10 is saree code 2200 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk with Dhakai work, very nice one, contrast border, soft lightweight. This one is full body part, full body contrast color Dhakai work, and this one is, you know, border design, very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful fine Dhakai work. This one is full body part, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also contrast color with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work, very beautiful one. This one is full body part, bright yellow shade with contrast green work, very beautiful one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2700 for your smart, bright, beautiful looks. This one also, you know, very beautiful one, natural fabric lane by lane with Jamdani work. 2MA11 is saree code 2900 is saree price, blue shade with golden zari border, contrast reddish pink piping, and this one is full body part, beautiful floral weaving Jamdani weaving butta design, very beautiful one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric lane by lane. And this one is beautiful golden zari border, contrast reddish pink piping, and this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also beautiful stripes pattern, highlighting golden zari line stripes pallu, very beautiful one. This one is full body part, full body beautiful weaving butta design, contrast color weaving butta design. This one is full body, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly. And this one is, you know, running blouse piece, contrast color red shaded. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving butta work, golden zari weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3300 for your beautiful looks. This one also very bright one. 2MA12 is sari code 1900 is sari price. Bright blue shade, royal blue shade with golden zari weaving work, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk. And this one is full body part, full body beautiful weaving buta design. And this one is border design, golden zari with beautiful fine weaving border. And this one is full body part, full body weaving, small weaving buta work, full body, very beautiful bright one, royal blue shade and full body buta work. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari highlighting stripes with beautiful buta design, very nice one. This one is border design, golden zari weaving border, and this one is full body fine weaving buta work, very beautiful exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2400 for your smart, beautiful, bright looks. Best for your party wear also. This one also very elegant one. 2MA13 is sari code, 2500 is sari price, very elegant one, soft, lightweight, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with beautiful stripes pattern, very smart one. This one is full body part, full body same stripes design, very nice one. And this one is a beautiful piping design, and this one is full body part highlighting silver zari lines stripes. And this one is pallu part, pallu, full pallu, silver zari wide patch pallu, very smart looks. This one is full body part, fine stripes design highlighting silver zari lines. And this one is running blouse piece, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2800 for your elegant looks. This one also very bright one. 2MA14 is sari code, 2200 is sari price, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with contrast pallu and beautiful weaving border. This one is full body part, bright yellow shade, and this one is border design, contrast color weaving border. And this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color, green shaded white pallu, very smart look, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full body part, elegant looks, bright yellow shade with contrast color weaving border, green contrast piping. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, contrast green shaded, very smart exclusive looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2500 for your smart looks. Very beautiful one, very smart looks. 2MA15 is sari code, 2100 is sari price, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with silver zari border, very smart elegant looks, best for your office wear. This one is full body part, this one is silver zari border and fine lane by lane full body. And this one is pallu part, pallu also silver zari stripes pattern pallu, very smart elegant looks, beautiful color, soft elegant one. This one is full body part, silver zari border, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full body part, very beautiful color. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2400 for your smart, beautiful, elegant looks. This one also very smart one, elegant looks. 2MA16 is sari code, 2900 is sari price, lane by cotton with silver zari border, contrast piping and full body, beautiful mirror with embroidery design, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full body part, beautiful fine embroidery with beads design, mirror work, silver zari border, contrast to green piping, and this one is full body part. Beautiful embroidery design, mirror work, very nice one, very smart, beautiful looks, white base, silver zari border, contrast green piping, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3200 for your smart looks. And today I have draped a beautiful black shade linen by cotton saree with beautiful fully hand weaving golden zari weaving jamdani design, full body weaving pattern, and this one is pallu part, pallu also beautiful fine weaving golden zari weaving work, full pallu part and full body golden zari weaving design, jamdani design. 3600 is saree price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.